Rais William Ruto azindua bidhaa ya pili ya Hustler Fund inayojulikana kama sherehe ya uhuru na biashara. Siku ya 60 ya madaraka nchini Kenya imefikia kilele kwa uzinduzi wa bidhaa ya pili ya hazina ya ushirikishwaji wa kifedha. Pia inajulikana kama Hustler Fund. Katika hotuba yake kwa taifa katika siku ya madaraka, Rais William Ruto alisema hazina hiyo inalenga kuwezesha watu kupata ufadhili kupitia vikundi na itaanzisha biashara ya soko la ushindani iliyoendeshwa kwa pamoja kwenye kikoa cha mtandaoni. Mkuu wa nchi alitoa shukrani kwa mafanikio ya bidhaa ya kwanza ya mfuko wa Hustler Fund, mikopo ya mtu binafsi, ambaye alisema imekuwa ya mapinduzi na imegeuza nchi kubadilisha kutoka kwa mfumo wa teknolojia mbaya hadi uwajibikaji zaidi. Chini ya mikopo ya kibinafsi ya Hustler Fund, Ruto alisema kuwa jumla ya idadi ya miamala ya kidijitali sasa inafikia milioni 42.5, ambapo Wakenya milioni 20.2 wamepata karibu shilingi bilioni 30 na kurejesha shilingi bilioni 19.7 huku milioni 7 wakiwa wateja wa kurudia.
A huge number of Kenyans, about 10 million, had either been blacklisted by the credit reference bureaus over inability to pay loans advanced by financial technology platforms or were struggling to pay. Other lenders required hefty securities and valuable assets as collateral, yet these struggling entrepreneurs required financing to acquire such assets. It was clear, therefore, that the prevailing financing and credit facilities were not supportive to the profitable existence of micro, small, and medium enterprises. Self-employment accounts for 51% of all jobs in our economy. 83% or 15.3 million jobs are in the informal sector, and only 3.6 million jobs are in the formal sector, representing a paltry 17%. Considering this employment landscape, it was imperative that we attend to the interests of these undeserved and underserved majority of workers urgently, resolutely, and effectively. This engagement with business community inspired the creation of the Financial Inclusion Fund, or the Hustler Fund, to eliminate the financial cost, delay, and bureaucracy entailed in complying. The facility employs the latest fintech powered by Kenyan telecommunications corporations. The Hustler Fund also re-engineered the idea of collateral by deploying the borrower's credit score as effective security. Without a doubt, the Hustler Fund has been more than transformational. In fact, it is revolutionary. On its way to becoming effectively the biggest financial institution by the number of borrowers and active loans, the Hustler Fund also turned around the country's fintech, transforming it from a predatory ecosystem to a more responsive one. As a result, Kenya's digital economy has received a tremendous shot in arm, as demonstrated by reports that Safaricom alone has enrolled at least 2 million new subscribers into their financial ecosystem, courtesy of the Hustler Fund. Today, as we celebrate progress in achieving economic freedom, we also celebrate our digital economy, powered by our famous fintech community. Kenya's legendary spirit of enterprise has entered the digital space. Kenyans responded to this promise of economic freedom in unequivocal terms. The total number of digital transactions now at the Hustler Fund stands at 42.5 million, through which 20.2 million Kenyans have accessed nearly Kenya shillings 30 billion and repaid close to 20 billion, with 7 million Kenyans being constant and repeat customers. Not a single shilling has been stolen through corruption, and borrowers do not need to know anyone, bribe any official, or go through any complex bureaucratic procedures to access the Hustler Fund. They only need a device, a little airtime, and a few minutes, and they are all able to get